Good morning, students. Today start our chapter 10 percentage. The word percent has come from the Latin word percentum, which means per hundred. Okay, children. Now let us start exercise 10.1. Write the following fraction as a percent. First of all, 50 upon 100 and multiply 100, and also here symbol of percent here. Draw the symbol of percent here. Now 100 is cancelled. Now answer comes to 50%. Second part, 30 upon 100. Again multiply 100 and write the percent sign. 100 cancel, 30%. 45 upon 100 and into 100 write the percentage sign and answer is 45%. Now look at the 73 upon 100 into 100 cancel. Now these are 73% answer. Okay, children. Now goes to the exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2. Express the following as a percent. Next exercise, question number 1 is express the following as a percent. 7 upon 8 multiply 100 and write the percentage sign. Again cancel out the table of 4. 4 2 ja 8, 4 25 ja 100. Now here it comes to 7 into 25 is equal to 175 upon 2. Now write here the mixed fraction. 87 a whole number 1 upon 2%. Part B, 5 upon 6 into 100 and write the percentage sign. Cancel out the table of 2. 2 3 are 6 into 250 ja 100. Now 55 ja 250 upon 3 is equal to 83 a whole number 1 upon 3%. Question 2. Express the following percent as a fraction, the lowest term. 20% is equal to 20 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 5. Equal to 1 upon 5. Now 8% equal to 8 upon 100 is equal to cancel out the table of 2. 2 4 ja 8, sorry, cancel out the table of 4. 4 25 ja 100, 4 2 ja 8. 2 upon 25. Now 25 upon 100 here. Now cancel out the table of 25. 25 on ja 25, 25 4 ja 100. Question number 3. Express the following as a fraction in the lowest term. 37 1 upon 2% equal to 75 upon 2%. Now remove the percentage sign and 75 is equal to upon 2 equals 75 upon 2 into 100. Cancel out the table of 25. 25 4 ja 100, 25 3 ja 75. Now denominator 2 4 ja 8. 2 4 ja 8. In numerator 3. Now results come to 3 by 8. Next part C, 3 a whole number 3 upon 4. Now here comes to 15 upon 4%. First of all cancel out the table of 2, 3 or 5 table. 5 3 15, 5 4 ja 20. Now 24 ja 80. Answer comes to 3 upon 80. Question number 4. Express the following decimal as a percent. 0.35 multiply 100 and write the percentage sign equal to 35%. 7.2 into 100 multiply write the percentage sign. Now 7.2 multiplied by 100 equal to 720%. 8.4 multiplied by 100 and write the percentage sign. Answer is 840%. Question 5. Express the following percent as decimal. Express the following percent as a decimal. Now 10% is equal to 10 into 1 upon 100 equal to 0.10. 10.5% equal to 20.5 into 100 equal to 0.205. Answer. 5% is equal to 5 upon 100 equal to 0.05. Answer. Now exercise 10.3. Solve the following. Question number 1. 50 of 20. Now 50 upon 100 multiplied by 20 is equal to 50 multiplied 20 equal to 1000 upon 100. 0 zeros cancel. Now answer comes to 10. 25% of rupees 24. 25 upon 100 multiplied by 24. Answer comes to 6. Now 50% of 100. Now 50 upon 100 multiplied by 100. 100 cancel. Answer comes to 50. Part E. 25% of 28. Now 25 upon 100 multiplied by 28. Here cancel out the table of 25. 4 is 100. Now 4 7 is 28. Now answer comes to 7. Part K. 70% of 30. Now 70 upon 100 multiplied by 30. Now 0 zeros cancel. Now 7 3 is 21 is answer. Question 2. Find the percent. Find the percent 40 of 100. Now 40 upon 100 multiplied by 100 and write the percentage sign. Answer is 40%. 35 upon 70 means 35 upon 70 multiply sign, cancel out the number. 35 2 is 70. Now 2 50 is 100. Answer comes to 50%. 2 of 5. 2 upon 5 multiply by 100 and write the percentage sign. 5 2 is 10. 2 20 is 40%. Part D. 30 of 120. 30 upon 120 into 100. Now cancel out the number. 0. 3 4 is 12. Now 4 25 is 100. Now answer comes to 25%. Question 3. Find the percent. 35 paisa of rupees 1. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. 35 upon 100 into 100 is equal to 35%. 60 paisa of rupees 2. Rupees 2 is equal to 2 into 100 is equal to 200 paisa. So 60 upon 200 into 100. 0 zeros cancel. Now 2 3 is 6. Answer come to 30%. 250 of a kilometer. Now 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 250 upon 1000 to 100. Now cancel out the zeros. Answer comes to 25%. Part K. 40 seconds of a minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now 40 upon 60 into 100. Now cancel out the zeros, and 2 to the 4, 2 3 6. Now 2 upon 3 into 100. 200 upon 3% is equal to 66 a whole number 2 upon 3%. 6 hours a day. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Now 6 upon 24 into 100. 6 4s are 24. Again 4 25s are 100. Answer comes to 25%. Question number 4. A family spent 80% of its income, rupees 1200, on food. How much money does it spend on the food? Money spent on the food is equal to rupees 1200 into 80 upon 100. 12 into 80 is equal to rupees 960. Question number 7. The Indian cricket team won 80% of total matches of 70 matches. This year, how many matches did he win? Won the matches equal to 70 into 80 upon 100. Now cancel out the zeros. 8 7 is 56 answer. Question 8. The teacher gave you 25 sums to work out of a. If you have complete 40%, how many sums you have? Now number of sums equal 25 into 40 upon 100. 25 4s are 100. Now 40 upon 4 is equal to 10. Answer is 10. Number of the sums is completed is 10. Today, children, it's over. Now meet the next exercise. Okay.